We are discussing important questions of UGC Net Paper 1. So let's start. Question number 21st. Which of the following is not a characteristic of teaching as a profession? Formal training and education, autonomy in decision making, code of ethics, specialized knowledge. The right answer is which is not a characteristic of teaching, it is a autonomy in decision making. Next question. In Bloom's taxonomy, which level represents the ability to analyze and evaluate information? Options are remembering, understanding, applying, evaluating. The right answer is option D, evaluating. Next question. Who is considered the father of modern psychology? B.F. Skinner, Sigmund Freud, John Watson, Carl Rogers. So, who is the father of modern psychology? The right answer is option B, Sigmund Freud. Next question. The concept of operant conditioning is associated with. Options are Ivan Pavlov, John B. Watson, B. F. Skinner, Albert Bandura. The right answer is the concept of operant conditioning is associated with B. F. Skinner. Next. Which of the following is a fundamental right guaranteed by the Indian Constitution? Right to education, right to property, right to privacy, right to employment. The right answer is fundamental right guaranteed by the Indian Constitution is right to education. Next. Who is known for the concept of social contract in political philosophy? Karl Marx, John Locke, Jean-Jacques Rousseau, Thomas Hobbes. So, who is known for the concept of social contract in political philosophy? The right answer is option C, Jean-Jacques Rousseau. Next question. Which of the following is a renewable source of energy? Coal, natural gas, solar power, uranium. So, renewable source of energy is solar power. Next question. Which of the following is not a component of SWOT analysis? Strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats, none of above. SWOT analysis full form is strength, weakness, opportunity and threat. So which of the following is not a component? All are the components. So right answer is option E, none of the above. Next, the Dow Jones Industrial Average is associated with which of the following? Oil prices, stock market performance, currency exchange rates, commodity prices. The right answer is the Dow Jones Industrial Average is associated with stock market performance. Next, who is author of the book The Interpretation of Dreams? Options are Sigmund Freud, B.S. Skinner, Jean Piaget, Carl Rogers. The right answer is the author of the book The Interpretation of Dreams is Sigmund Freud. Next, the concept of cultural relativism in anthropology suggests that all cultures are same. There is a universal culture that all societies should adopt. Cultural practices and beliefs should be understood within their own cultural context. culture should be eliminated for social progress? The right answer is the concept of cultural relativism in anthropology suggests that all cultures are the same. Next, what is the term for the study and the distribution and movement of diseases in populations? Options: epidemiology, gerontology, paleontology, sociology. The term for the study of the distribution and movement of diseases in population is option A, epidemiology. Next, which planet is known as the red planet? Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter. The right answer is option C, Mars is known as the red planet. The Kyoto Protocol is related to, again, very important question, climate change, nuclear disarmament, world trade, human rights. The right answer is Kyoto Protocol is related to climate change. Next, what is the chemical symbol for gold? AuAgFeHg. The chemical symbol for gold is Au. Next, which gas is most abundant in Earth's atmosphere? Carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen. The gas which is most abundant in Earth's atmosphere is nitrogen. Next, who developed the theory of relativity? Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein, Stephen Hawking, Galileo Galilei. The theory of relativity is developed by option B, Albert Einstein. Which of the following is not a cognitive process? Memory, perception, learning, breathing. So which of the following is not a cognitive process? The right answer is breathing is not a cognitive process. Cognitive processes are related to the brain. So memory, perception, learning are all the cognitive processes. Next, the process of learning that occurs through observing and imitating others is called operant conditioning, classical conditioning, social learning, habituation. Right answer is the process of learning that occurs through observing and imitating others is the social learning. Next question. In the context of education, what does IEP stand for? Options: International Education Program, Individualized Education Plan, Integrated Educational Philosophy, Intellectual Enhancement Program. The right answer for this question is IEP stands for Individualized Educational Plan. Option B is the right answer.